The breaking news coming in, the Enforcement Directorate has stepped in for Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. The Enforcement Directorate has now sought details about Sushant's FIR. The ED will also be looking into the allegations of siphoning off of 15 crore rupees. The Bihar police is meanwhile at Kotak Mahindra Bank, I beg your pardon, in Mumbai to probe the money trail. That's the latest sensational story that is coming in. Enforcement Directorate stepping in to probe the money angle. All these charges, remember, have been leveled by Sushant Singh Rajput's family, who claim that it was Riya Chakraborty who was allegedly involved in siphoning off 15 crore rupees as well. So now the ED is going to be probing the financial trail, and the ED has now stepped in for the death probe of Sushant Singh Rajput. Indeed, with this, the probe for sure intensifies. The Enforcement Directorate is also going to be looking into allegations of siphoning off of 15 crore rupees as alleged by the family. In the meanwhile, you also have the Bihar police, which is at Kotak Mahindra Bank in Mumbai to probe the money trail. So there you go. That's the latest that is coming in right there. Munish Mani, who tracks the Enforcement Directorate, is now joining us. Munish, the ED stepping in. This definitely means that the probe is absolutely intensified and they will nail what this money trail is. 15 crore rupees of siphoning off allegations coming in from Sushant Singh Rajput's family.
Case of a central investigative agency. Now, as far as sources within the Enforcement Directorate are concerned, they have told India Today that they have sought details of the FIR which has been lodged by the Sushant family against Riya Chakraborty, in which there is certain allegations about the defraud of money. Now, the allegations in the FIR is that 15 crore rupees out of 17 crore was siphoned by Riya Chakraborty and her associates, and ED will be specifically looking into it. Now, they have sought details about the FIR. If they have any concrete evidence about the money trail, then there will be a money laundering case which will be lodged against Riya Chakraborty. But at this point of time, ED is maintaining that they have sought details from Bihar police regarding the FIR and the allegations of defraud which has been allegedly committed by Riya Chakraborty.
Yes, hold on right there. We also have Divyesh, who's joining us from Mumbai. Divyesh, what is happening as far as the probe at Kotak Mahindra Bank in Mumbai is concerned? On one hand, you've got the Enforcement Directorate who has stepped in to investigate about the angle of siphoning off of 15 crore rupees, and now you have the police at the Kotak Mahindra Bank in Mumbai. Over to you for the latest that is coming in from on ground there.
See, just now the team has left from Kotak Mahindra Bank. They have come to the HDFC Bank, which is just behind me. They've already contacted the bank manager over here and they are seeking details. Remember, Sushant had multiple accounts, so all the banks that Sushant had accounts with are being contacted by the Bihar police officials, and they are seeking details of all the bank transactions that have happened in past 3 years or so. This is the period when Riya was with Sushant Singh Rajput, and since then, so the probe goes on till 3 years back, and the allegations made by KK Singh, father of late actor Sushant Singh, that Riya was responsible for siphoning off of 15 crore rupees out of 17 crore rupees.
I have a question in the middle of all of this, Divyesh, and feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. If there is Bihar police that is stepping in, they've gone to Mumbai to check details of the Kotak Mahindra Bank and HDFC Bank, right where you're standing at Pali Hill as well. The ED has stepped in. What has the Mumbai police been doing so far?
See, Mumbai police, when we spoke to Mumbai police officials, they've said, they've told us that they weren't probing this particular angle because the family never complained to them anything about any such person or Riya Chakraborty. They had never filed any allegations or any complaint against any person who was responsible for Sushant's death. This was only after the Patna police registered this FIR basis of KK Singh. This probe is being carried out by Patna police, while Mumbai police has always been claiming that they never received any kind of complaint from the family or close relatives. They had been trying to contact Priyanka Singh, who's the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, Meetu Singh, who's the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, and in fact also Mr. O.P. Singh, who's a senior IPS officer and brother-in-law of Sushant Singh Rajput. He was also contacted by Mumbai police so that they could record his statement. But none of them appeared again after the incident or after the final rights to record their statement.
Yes, I understand, Divyesh, that the complaint and the allegations which have been leveled by the family have not been leveled at that point when Mumbai police was conducting that investigation and they complained to the Bihar police about this. But having said that, any kind of an investigation when you're talking about death, all angles need to be probed. So why is it that the Mumbai police somewhere has missed out these loopholes up until now? What has been their, where do they stand in terms of their probe? Weren't they looking at every angle possible? Hold on right there. We're getting some reactions coming in. Coming back to you, Divyesh, on this.
A central figure of Lodra.
सर ये बता इसके आगे आपको
अभी ले रहे हैं
ओके तो आपसे यहाँ कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक से सारे डॉक्यूमेंट
अभी ले रहे हैं हम लोग वो अपना डाटा निकलवा रहे हैं हम लोग ले रहे हैं हम लोग
पुलिस कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रही है ऐसा
सब कर रहे हैं
कब तक का डाटा मांगा अगला पीरियड ऑफ टाइम उनका स्टेटमेंट इम्पोर्टेंट है
पीरियड
जब से
ऑफ
उनका एक्टिव है तब से जब से एक्टिव है तब से
एबल टू एक्सेस द डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट वर देयर
हाँ सब हम लोग ले रहे हैं
आपने सब ले लिया सर ये बता इसके आगे आपको
अभी ले रहे हैं
ओके तो आपसे यहाँ कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक से सारे डॉक्यूमेंट
अभी ले रहे हैं हम लोग वो अपना डाटा निकलवा रहे हैं हम लोग ले रहे हैं हम लोग
पुलिस कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रही है ऐसा
सब कर रहे हैं
कब तक का डाटा मांगा अगला पीरियड ऑफ टाइम उनका स्टेटमेंट इम्पोर्टेंट है
पीरियड
जब से
ऑफ
उनका एक्टिव है तब से जब से एक्टिव है तब से
I'm going to go straight across to Munish because we got that reaction that was coming in from the Enforcement Directorate as well, where they are probing the 15 crore rupees missing link. Munish, if you could walk us through the holding companies, the private limited companies that were floated with Sushant, along with Riya Chakraborty, who were the directors in this company, what was the paid up capital looking like, and what is the ED probing at the moment in terms of 15 crore rupees as well?
Well, Chaiti, earlier you raised a very important question about why this part was not investigated by the Mumbai police. Remember, in any death case, the police, any state police has to look at all the angles, and financial angle is one of the most important angle in any death case because there have been cases where the intentions behind any death has been the money transactions of that particular person. In this case, there was a particular allegation by the family that over 15 crore rupees was siphoned off from the account of Sushant Singh Rajput just few months before his death. Now, even if the family members had not told Mumbai police, then also it was the responsibility of Mumbai police to check his bank balance and other accounts of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, what ED will be doing in this case, first of all, they will seek the official details from the Bihar police. They will also seek details from Kotak Mahindra, and then they will lodge a money laundering case. Once the money laundering case is lodged, then they can probe Riya Chakraborty, her associates, and also where all the money went. The main allegation by the family that certain accounts which are not linked to even Sushant Singh Rajput, there the money has been transferred. So they will be looking at a deeper, investigation in the case, and this will certainly be is going to be very troubling for Riya Chakraborty and other people who have been named in this FIR. Back to you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.